Hi guys, we're going to be making Maraschino cherry fudge today. To start off, I've lined a 9-inch baking dish with aluminum foil and I've got it hanging over the sides, and this is so I can lift the foil out really easily when it's done. In a heavy saucepan, I have 3 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of salted butter, and I'm also going to add to that 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. Over medium heat, we're going to bring this to a full roaring boil, and we're going to be stirring this constantly. Okay, so it's reached a roaring boil, and I'm going to boil this for 4 minutes or until it reaches 234 in Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, stirring the whole time. Okay, so I removed it from the heat. I'm going to add 2 cups of white morsel chips and a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. I'm just going to keep stirring this really fast. You want to get all melted and blended in. I've chopped up 1 cup of Maraschino cherries. I've chopped them up fairly large, and I pat them dry on paper towel, and I'm going to stir that in now. 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Next, I'm stirring in 2 tablespoons of the Maraschino cherry juice that I had put to the side. And now we're going to pour it in the pan, and we're going to let this cool completely uncovered. So this does take quite a while to cool. I usually let it cool all day to make sure it's set before slicing. And I even put it in the refrigerator with some saran wrap over it after it's completely cooled. And then I slice it the next day and it's even more solid, in which I'm going to do with this one. So there's my Maraschino cherry fudge. I hope you guys liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.